Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to week 3 of Kit Conspiracy. This is the kit share for Pretty Little Studios Good Vibrations by Ashley Horton. It's a really cool collection, bright and colorful and fun, and I love it, so I'm super excited to start using it. If you don't know what Kit Conspiracy is, it is where MK over on her channel, Some Assemblage Required, and me on my channel, Galaxy Girl Creations, we use the same identical kit for one entire week of the month. And then we switch kits. So we do it for the entire month of April. We do it for November, twice a year. And so we do, a total of 8 kits throughout the year. And we have invited people to play along with us. We have a Facebook group. You can go and check that out if you're interested in that. And you could order these kits, pre-order through MK's shop. She may still have some left over because she ordered some extras. But normally we do some pre-orders and you can order and play along. Or you can make your own kit, something similar, something not similar, doesn't really matter, and play along as well. But basically the idea is to use the exact same kit for the entire week. Or to use a kit for an entire week and see how many layouts you can get out of it. So we are committed to posting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and having a layout for each day. Usually you get all 5 days, sometimes the weekends too. But yeah, we're definitely doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday this go around. And so you know you're gonna get at least 3 layouts out of it. But some of these kits are bigger than others, and this one is kind of a mid-size kit. So we will see. So we have the 12 by 12 paper pack. It's 8 sheets of double-sided paper. And let's go ahead and get started. So the back side is this pink polka dot. You could actually also use this. I have also been known to use this portion, and maybe, I don't know why there's an 8 there. It's probably something that has to do with their inventory or something like that, but you could cover that up easily. So I have been known to use that. You never know. Okay, we have this piece called Happiness, the rainbow, and then lots of polka dots. And this paper is a little bit shinier than some of the other papers. It's also not quite as thick as 49 in Market, but it is fairly thick as far as a scrapbooking paper, so it's good quality. This one's called Never Better. Ooh, I like that side. I don't know. We'll see what we do with it. Pretty cool though. Grid and some triangles. We have this sunray or sunburst called Super Fresh with yellow and kind of a grayish green color. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. Ooh, but I like this side. That'll probably be the side I use. I always say this. I always say, oh, well, I'm going to use that side, and then I end up using the opposite side. This one is called Think Positive. This would be a really good one to fussy cut all those flowers out of. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, they always do this to me. They put like some awesome thing on one side and on the other, and then I'm like torn on what to use because I do love this black and white. But we'll see. We'll see what we have in the embellishments and if I need those flowers or not. I really love the warm colors in this one. It's got some good vibes to it. It's called Enjoy Life. Kind of a watercolory look. And then some kind of retro looking rainbow pattern, even though they're not rainbow colors. So that's kind of cool. This one's called Play It Cool, which it does have cool colors up here. Nice warm yellow though. And then stars on the back side. Yeah, I don't know. Those are both really cool. Another one of those polka dots called Good Stuff. That would make a really great double page layout because you don't have to even worry about piecing anything together. And then it's got this rainbow wonky lines on the back. And then this star called Starry Eyed. And it's kind of got a greenish blue watercolor. Green to blue. Very light. That's pretty. Okay, we get some free cut-aparts in this kit. So we've got some labels and some circles. These are probably like 1 1/4, maybe 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2, 1 1/4, 1 1/4. So if you have a 1 1/4 inch punch, you could punch those out easily instead of fussy cutting them. These are super easy to fussy cut, just straight lines. The back is just the packaging, which you certainly could cut all of these out and make something out of that if you wanted to. Really get a lot of use out of your kits by doing that kind of stuff. And then we added these 3 papers. Hexagon flowers. This is called Daydreams. And it's a single-sided paper. You Got This, which kind of looks like a brick wall. Single-sided. And then I really like this one called Happy Place. It's kind of like a peachy orange. And again, it's single-sided. So those are kind of fun. Then we have these Positive Vibes cut-apart flags. I would use these like labels. Not, I don't know why they're called flags, but that's what they call them. And then this one is called Cut-Apart Tags, and it's called The Details. Always great to have a little journaling spot. These are quite small, but that's okay. It'll go well with these quite large labels. So good for layering up. That'll be kind of fun. So let's see what we have in here. Lots of labels. This is called Hey There Label Die Cuts. I'm going to just open them up so we can kind of see the size. It's hard to tell the size when you just look at the back, but the packaging is super usable from Pretty Little Studio, which is very nice because you can get some extra stuff out of it. So we've got some good sizes here. These would make a great place to do a little bit of journaling too if you don't have a ton, because they are quite large. We got some of these smaller ones, some circular ones. I love when there's circular ones included. Soften up your straight lines. And then we've got some smaller ones with lines on them. Another circle, some ovals, and then a couple more of those. So those are all really cool. Those will be fun to use. I do love labels. I feel like I can use labels on just about any layout. I'm just gonna sweep those off to the side, not make you watch me put them away. We'll pull out these flowers next. So this is called Wild Flower Die Cuts. This would go well with the other ones that I was mentioning. You could cut out of the paper. I think these are a little smaller than the ones on the paper. And then again, you can use the packaging. So I just kind of am curious to see what the sizes are. Oh, we got some littler ones, which is nice. Oh, and the little clusters. Okay. And we got some with leaves, and then a little wildflower title piece or wordy bit. So those are kind of cool. Those will be fun to play with. Again, sweep those off to the side. And then we have these die cuts called Keep Going. And these are kind of like a mix of everything, which is nice because then you can pair them up with the other bits, but they're different shapes. This is actually 2 hearts. I pull them apart. Just keep going. Sorry if that's too far away for you. Just keep going. Beautifully you. A red heart, a recorded. I like that nice dark black. Sending all my love. Another floral bit. Black heart. You've got this. Some of those hexagon pieces like that paper that we have. An actual rainbow, like that rainbow shaped paper. Larger hearts. This one says good vibes only. A little stack of hearts. Love this. An orange heart and a star like that large star paper. We've got a You Can Do This and a Good Stuff. Those are kind of cool. Another flower. A larger heart. A Doing My Best. I like the font they used. It's kind of retro, very retro looking. Seize Today, which I kind of think is nice because sometimes, usually it says Seize the Day. I just like that it's just 2 small words there. Another one of these stars. A Noted. More hearts. Happy. Oh, good days and bad days. I like that because a lot of times they don't include the bad days, and you know, we all have bad days. Perfect and awesome. Sometimes we don't want to document the bad days, but you know, sometimes we do. So I think that's kind of cool that you have the option. All right, and that is it, you guys. So again, I am going to see what I can create out of this collection for this week, and hopefully I'll have more than Monday, Wednesday, Friday for you. I'm hoping to have all 5 days, but we'll see. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, there's a link down below for MK's channel, so you can go see her kit share. She's actually doing something a little bit different on her kit shares. I'm not talking about what layouts I'm going to make. I think she is actually kitting up by the page what she is going to use. So you can go and check that out and see what she's got going for you. And then you can also check out the Facebook group, which is linked down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys again soon.